Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Monday.com for employee attendance tracking. This is your complete guide for 2025, so let's get started. Our first step is to set up your board. You'll need to log into your Monday.com account and create a new board. Name it something like Employee Attendance. Now, why are we doing this? Because this board is going to be your central hub for tracking employee attendance, so it's vital to have it set up right from the start. Next up, let's add our columns. Click on Add Column, and you'll want to add at least 3: employee name, date, and attendance. The reason we do this is because these columns are the basic information you'll need to track attendance effectively. Now that we've done that, we can move on to the third step, adding your employees. Click on Add Item and type in the names of your employees in the Employee Name column. This is important because it's how you'll keep track of each individual's attendance. Now let's set up our attendance statuses. Click on the Attendance column, then Column Settings, and then Edit Labels. You'll want to change these to Present, Absent, and Late. This helps us because it gives us a clear at-a-glance look at the attendance status of each employee. Next up, we're going to set up automations. Click on Automations at the top of the screen, then Create Automation. You'll want to set up an automation that says, when status is set to absent, notify manager. The reason we do this is to ensure that any absences are immediately flagged to the relevant people, keeping everyone in the loop. And finally, you'll want to keep this board updated every day. At the start of each day, go through and update each employee's status based on their attendance. This is vital because keeping your board up to date ensures you have the most accurate data possible. And there you go. That's how you can use Monday.com to track employee attendance. It's a straightforward process, but it makes a massive difference in keeping everyone accountable and ensuring smooth operations. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.